In today's video, we learn how to use Pentool, Marque tool. Firstly, Marque tool, rectangle Marque tool, elliptical Marque tool. These shapes are used in this video. Drag the rectangle and select the selection tool to perform it. You can easily draw a shape or cutting the shape for making designs, for making any kind of shapes. Now pen tool. Select pen tool, then left click on the mouse and hold to the end point. You can curve it, rotate its line to make any sketch, any shape easily by using it. Now you can adjust stroke thin to thick by increasing or decreasing its value. Choose a stroke color by clicking on it. You can fill pen tool by selecting practicing of these tools. Thanks for watching. We meet in another video with another tools of Photoshop.